Hi everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. Sorry for the reflect here, but I've got an iconic London palette and I want to swatch it for you. I have had this since December. It is now May 2025 at the time of recording. It was part of like an accidental purchase thing, but it was like a $5 per palette purchase. I'd never used this brand before. And look at how cute this is. Oh, it's so pretty. It's definitely warm leaning. But I just really can't wait to dig into this, even though it's been like 5 months. Let's just swatch it. I'm gonna go top left and then over. Let's see, there's 20 of them. Can I fit them all on my arm? I don't know. Let's find out. So the first one's called Pool Party. Oh, it's kind of duochrome-y. It's like gold and pink. Warm pink. That's very pretty. Nice start to this. This is called Summer Lovin'. A little chalky of a matte. It's like a peachy pink. I bet you that's going to look different on the eye than anywhere else. This is called Coral Reef. I'm already making them too big. A little flaky again, but a really nice metallic orange. And then this is called All Nighter. Looks like a plum. Let's see. All right. Well, either my fingers aren't picking it up, you know, very well, like maybe not as well as a brush, or these are a little chalky so far. The palette itself is called Sunrise to Sunset, so that's kind of, ooh, wow, okay. That's gorgeous. It's like a bronzy metallic orange that is absolutely stunning. It's called Summer Glow. This one looks like Ibiza Nights. I'll have to look up what Ibiza means. This is pink leaning, but it's more of a coral, and again, like a warm pink. I don't know why these are coming out so much better than the first four, but whatever. Beach Bronzed. So, you know, I think this is more of like a rust red, and this is more of a bronze. It's more orange. But that's just me. I'm bad at metallics. And then Bikini Babe. How would I describe that? It's a reddish brown. How about we do that? Yeah. Sorry about my nails. I have animals and anxiety and a lot of issues, so it is what it is. Seashells. This might be about to change the game. Wow. It's a little sheer, but what a stunning inner corner that would be. It almost looks white, but it looks light pink in the pan. Maybe like a cooler toned metallic white, because this one's called Moonlit, and I think it's more of a, yes, it's more of a gold leaning white. So it's got some sparkle in it. That's warm. It's the goldy yellow. Very light gold, but still in that. It looks white in the pan, whereas this looks pink in the pan. It's more of that cool toned white, and I tend to use that a lot. Well, I've been using both, but anyway. This is called Sun Kissed. It's a matte. It's a pretty little peach. Yeah, it's building up nice. Building up. And then this is called After Party. What color is that? I don't know. It looks like mauve-y in the pan, but it's kind of like a purpley red. Matte. And rather than try to fit 8 more shades in, I'm going to go ahead and just take these off and do the last 8 shades. A little closer here. This is very pretty. Moving on, the next one's called Sandstorm. I'd say that's a nice description for that one. This is really pretty, and it's a sandy, taupey kind of peach. Yeah, let's go with that. Havana is next. This looks like a straight up gold shimmer, and it sure is. I don't know if you'd call these shimmers or metallics, so let me know. This looks like it's going to be super bright. It's called Heat Wave. Yeah, nice fluorescent orange there, a little bit of red in it. And then Ultraviolet is last. And oh, a very pretty purple. I like that they threw in a couple like kind of opposite colors just for variety. These might stain your eyes because I've been wiping off my fingers after every swatch, and this is what's happening, so be careful. Next, these are all mattes at the bottom. This is called Tan Lines. This is a nice matte coral. Straight up there. Next we've got Mimosa. These pale yellows never seem to work. It's disappointing. This is a very pretty pastel yellow, but I feel like you'd need 8 coats to get it to look like that. It's very pretty in the pan. And then we've got Tequila Sunrise. It almost looks a little more pinky than this one, but that is extremely close. This was maybe a little brighter. I don't know, those are close. And then Aloha, it's another very light matte. It looks lavender. Oh, it's super chalky. Okay, I don't know. I will say that the ones that are duds, this one, and there were others up in there, like, they're colors that are usually duds. Well, these 3 look very similar to me. This one is obviously metallic or shimmery. But that's the last 2 rows of the Iconic London Sunrise to Sunset palette. My bad, this is actually Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette. So I hope you enjoyed these swatches. Let me know if you've used this brand and how they typically perform. And we will see you in the next one. Bye.